Hi there, my name's Ryan. This is a quick video on a two-part project to create an automated twister wheel for people that want to play Twister but don't want to be flicking the wheel. What we've done here is we've put together a bit of code in Python, and that's the first part to get this working in Python, and then we're going to plan to port it over into Unity and make a visual version of this. So in Python to begin, we're going to import all of our packages here, including the OS import, system import for OS. That's going to allow the audio that you hear using the say commands. So we're going to begin by prompting the user for how many people are going to be playing the game. We'll use 3 as an example here, or 4. And then it's going to ask how many seconds between turns do you want to take. So those are the 2 user inputs. Down here on rows 21 through 23, there are 2 lists. One is a list of 4 items for the limbs, left hand and right hand, left foot and right foot. Those will be index 0, 1, 2, and 3. And for colors, there's 4 colors, red, yellow, green, and blue. And again, index 0, 1, 2, and 3. And we'll be asking the system to provide some random numbers and to randomly pick those out each time we go through the loop. Then we're going to start off with player number 1, n equals 1. And then we're going to run this loop for as long as basically forever until somebody breaks in the system. Within the loop, there's 2 chunks. The first one increments the player amount. Each time through the loop, you will add 1 to the player on row 37. But the conditional on the if here is if you get up to the point, let's say you've got 4 players playing, and at the point where you're in the loop and n equals 4, rather than going up to 5, you don't have a 5th player. It'll simply reset back down to 1 on row 39. So that's the player management piece that it'll scroll through player 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 each time you're going through the loop. And then the second one is for the random selection of the color and the limb. There's 4 limbs, as we said, so we're going to take a random selection here on row 42 and put it into L for limbs. That's pulling out the string from that list. And then we're going to pick the color out, and we're going to push those both together and ask the system to speak those 2. So with the player utterance and the limbs plus colors utterance, that's all we need, and then the system will pause for t seconds, which is the input we received, and we'll go from there. So let's go through and run this as a test.
Welcome. How many people are playing Twister? And how long between turns? Player 1, left hand blue. Player 2, left foot blue. Player 3, left foot red. Player 4, left foot red. Player 1, right hand blue.
There we go.
Player 2, right.
So you see that's it's got us back through the loop. So that's the Python code. I'll put the link to it in the GitHub. This concludes part 1. Part 2, time permitting, maybe next weekend, we're going to port this over into Unity, and we're going to make it a little bit more visual. But thanks for watching.